Jeff, you're on the 6. Smooth 7. Good, good, good. All right, guys, here we go. Race number 4, Truck A main. Good luck, drivers. Easy start, and listen for the tone. All right, let's get through those first few corners clean, guys. Rough start there for Brown. Makes it work, though. Gets back into second right off the get-go, so nice recovery move there from Brown. Going to see Robert out front. Dan Brown second, and it's going to be Bill Jordan now to third. So Bill Jordan looking to grab a spot here. Bill starting in that 5th spot, moving up into 3rd spot now. Bill with plenty of wheel time tonight on his 8th race already. 6 races in qualifying, already ran 1 main. So Bill actually looking to get 10 races out of the night, I believe. Yeah, this is race 8 for Bill, so no, this is race 9 for Bill. He's got a lot of driving time out there. Got RB out front by 4 seconds already, looking to lay the smackdown. The 20.9 fast lap so far. Dan Brown hanging on 2nd spot, and it's Coach now in 3rd, Keane in 4th. Bill Jordan running 5th. Then it's going to be the Moose, Pettis, and Smith all battling back there in those TLR 22Ts through the double-doubles, 1, 2, and 3. Running 6, 7, and 8. We got a minute 30 down and 3:30 left to go. And now they're catching up to Keane here, with RB already catching up to some back markers, less than a straightaway behind him. Robert on a mean one here in the main, 0.9, 21.3, 21.3 last couple times by. Brown a 2.22, 2.19, and a 2.24, just to give you some perspective there with 2nd place. Woo! And RB almost losing that rear camber link. If that was his T4, he would have been done. Woo! Yeah! Dan Brown taking a page out of RB's book, trying to dodge some bullets. Dan just not quite doing it as gracefully, but staying alive in the process. And staying alive is really what you're going for while trying to dodge bullets, so. Woo! Nice wheelie, Dan. There you go, Justin. Alright, guys, we got about 2 minutes left to go. RB looking at a 15.5-13 run. So that's 7 seconds faster than qualifying. Yeah, RB, is your ride height good? Do you need us to check that or anything? You want me to adjust your camber or something while we're at it? I need you... Okay. RB, I need you to define on your tail. How long is your tail? Oh, there he is. Minute 30 left to go, guys. RB coming in for a pit stop and back out on his way. Just a quick splash and go. RB getting ready for a Nitro Challenge next weekend. So coming in at the feet of Robbie Collins there. That'll be his pit man. So just making sure him and Robbie are on the same page with the car coming in and going back out procedure. 1 minute left to go, guys. 1 to go. Robert, right now, pretty big lead. It's about a 10-second lead right now for RB. Oh, no, and Coach, it's gone. Watch out, Justin. There it goes. The notorious rear camber link on the T4 there. Down for the count. Giving Coach the old 10 count there. 30 seconds left to go, drivers. 30 seconds to go. Up next, two-wheel drive, modified. You guys are up next. Mod Buggy, you guys are up next. Have them ready. And that is time. Smith caught at the line in the 5. RB caught at the line as well, 14 flat. Looks like going to be Dan Brown picking up the 2 spot. And now we got a race here coming to the end for 3rd between Jordan and Kean. Oh, but Kean gets it wrong. And that should see Bill Jordan taking home in his 3rd spot. And it will. Jordan going to finish 3rd. Kean going to finish 4th. Smith 5, Moose 6, Pettis 7, Coach 8, McCone 9. Turn them off, guys. Come back out and turn, Marshall. Race number 5, you guys are up. Race 5, you guys are up. Hey, Jimmy, how many laps? You don't know? 2? All right, care to venture a guess? He says 2. All right, guys. We'll give Dan Brown a second here to get switched over to buggy mode. Where is it? Looking for an M11X, guys. M11X laying around somewhere.
Who's we?